Sit-ups versus crunches. Which is better for core activation? Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. When it comes to building a strong core, the debate between sit-ups and crunches is a hot topic. Both exercises are staples in many fitness routines. But which one is truly more effective for core activation? Let's dive into the details to find out. Sit-ups. Sit-ups are a classic exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including the rectus abdominis, hip flexors, and lower back. This compound movement involves lifting your entire upper body off the ground, which can enhance overall core strength and endurance. However, sit-ups can put a strain on the lower back if not performed correctly, so proper form is crucial. Crunches. Crunches, on the other hand, focus primarily on the rectus abdominis. This exercise involves a smaller range of motion compared to sit-ups, which can make it a safer option for individuals with lower back issues. By isolating the upper abs, crunches allow for a more concentrated contraction, potentially leading to better muscle engagements in the targeted area. Which is better? The answer depends on your fitness goals and physical condition. If you're looking for a comprehensive core workout that also engages the hip flexors and lower back, sit-ups might be the way to go. For those who prefer a more focused approach with less risk of back strain, crunches are an excellent choice. Final thoughts. Incorporating both exercises into your routine can provide a balanced core workout, allowing you to reap the benefits of each. Remember, the key to effective core training lies in variety and consistency. Keep challenging your muscles with different exercises and stay dedicated to your fitness journey.